In every meerkat's life, the great rite of passage, the transition from child to adult, is the first hunting trip away from the burrow. The pups are a month old. It's time. It will be a day of dangers and difficulties, not least of which is just keeping up with the adults. Out here, pups are at their most vulnerable. Security is vital. With all eyes scanning the skies, the hunt gets underway. They are discovering there are other creatures in their world. Some of them are very strange. And sadly inedible. But the serious business of finding food needs to be tackled. Even though pups dig instinctively, they must be taught how to forage and catch prey. At this stage, though, they employ a very simple tactic. Their begging calls persuade the adults to bring them food. The louder and longer they scream, the more their family feeds them. For now, they can enjoy all the Kalahari has to offer. But this time of plenty is fast coming to an end. As the rainless weeks go by, the lush grasses shrivel, and the earth bakes hard. In the shifting sounds of the Kalahari, fortunes are changing. As the desert slowly reclaims land previously carpeted with greenery, the meerkats are finding it increasingly difficult to find enough food to survive. It is now that the true test of Clinky's leadership begins. Her family will need to pull together to see the most vulnerable members of the group through the difficult dry season. Meerkats teach their young the skills of survival. The lessons the pups learn now will be vital to their future success.